Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to create an account on RedNote, the latest app that's taking the world by storm. Whether you're a tech newbie or a seasoned pro, this guide will have you set up and ready to explore in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to download the RedNote app. Right now, the app is primarily in Chinese, but don't worry, it's super easy to navigate. Head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for RedNote, and hit that install button. Once it's downloaded, open it up, and let's get your account set up. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen. Just tap Agree to the terms and conditions and allow the necessary permissions. Don't worry, it's all standard stuff to make sure the app runs smoothly. Now, you're ready to log in. RedNote gives you a few options to sign up. You can use your phone number, or if you prefer, you can log in with your Apple ID, Google account, or even Facebook. For this tutorial, I'll use my email, but the process is pretty much the same no matter which option you choose. Just tap on your preferred method, follow the prompts, and you're good to go. Now comes the fun part, selecting your interests. RedNote will ask you to choose 4 topics you're into, whether you're all about travel, fitness, movies, or even carbine. Yes, that's an option. Just pick what speaks to you. This helps the app curate content you'll love. Once you've selected your interests, you're all set. You'll be taken to the home screen where you can start exploring videos, posts, and more. Oh, and you might get a prompt asking if you want to allow tracking. Totally up to you. I usually go with Ask App Not to Track, but it's your call. And that's it. You're officially a RedNote user. While the app is still rolling out English features, you'll notice more and more content becoming available in English over time. So hang tight, explore, and enjoy the ride. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to TechNeil for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. Got questions about RedNote? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.